Deep cleaning your shower enclosure is a simple and hygienic way to bring back that new bathroom sparkle. Before you start cleaning your shower, you'll need to clear it out. Remove toiletries, shower mats, and anything that's not fixed in. Clean everything you remove and throw away or recycle items that never get used. To clean the enclosure, use a standard shower cleaning product and a damp sponge to remove the soap scum and dirt. Once you have scrubbed the entire enclosure, rinse with cold water, but this can leave limescale and watermarks on your shower screen once it dries. To combat this, use a squeegee to remove as much excess water once you have rinsed the enclosure. Not only will the screen dry faster, but it should also dry relatively clear and smudge-free. Once it's completely dry, use a diluted white vinegar mixture to spray your shower enclosure. Then buff with a soft cloth until clear, to produce a shine that sparkles.